Hello, as I promised in my last video, I was going to do just a little review of my new seedling pot maker that I ordered from Burpee Seed. Basically, the reason I got this is because all of my peat pots that I have, well, just suffice it to say, none of them decompose properly. And I know that newspaper does decompose in the soil. So I ordered this little paper pot maker thinking it might do a good job. I will have further reviews on it as time goes by. When I took it out of the package, in all actuality it was just a little bit smaller than I thought it was going to be. It's a very small item. I'm 5'11". I guess this is a normal man's hand right here. Pretty small, eh? Well, basically the way this thing works is you have your paper. See? Nice little strip of paper here. And you cut it to where it just hangs over just a little bit off the end right here. You make 2 trips around. I'll go ahead and do that right quick. Rolling up the paper around it. No big deal, right? We're going to just straighten this up here. Make sure it's tight. Okay. Now that we have our paper around it, all we're going to do is take this little base here. After we fold our ends in like so. See? No problem there. I'm going to take and smash it down. Just giving it some turns like so. And once we have that done, now you notice I didn't put any tape on it. No tape. It's all just the way it is. Didn't tape it together whatsoever. So I just take it off the base. Make sure the bottom has that indent. Same as what put it on right there. See, there's your angle. Put it in there. Make sure it's nice and rubbed. Now there's what you have. I just take and twist and slip out the pot like so, and there we go, biodegradable. I've already have one here that I'm putting the camera that already has the dirt already in it. It was no big deal to put in there. No big deal at all. Paper pot, you see, with the dirt on, stays together. And I wet my edge right here, and I think that might help it stick a little bit together. But I done 2 trips around the pot maker, and you know, so far so good. Provide enough rigidity to keep the soil and everything like it should be in the pot. Now all I'm going to do, I'm playing some sweet banana pepper right here in this pot. It isn't anything that I'll keep. My garden's as much as I can handle right now. I'm just doing this for the demonstration. I'll take this little pin right here, and I'll just barely go in with it into the soil there. Soil here. I've got 2 seeds. Okay, I'm putting my first seed in here, and I'm putting my second seed in here. I'm just gonna make sure the soil is real good on them seeds. Make sure it's buried, and that's it. It's a paper pot maker. I did not spend a dime on this, other than this. And I can make as many pots as I want. I can get my plants up growing pretty well, and just go from there. Anyway, this is all you get in the box. Just those 2 items. And they seem to be good enough. I just made 2 pots. Near one of them's unraveling. There's the first one again. It's all holding together pretty good. Now this right here, you see that hole right in there? Now that was my fault. There's a tiny little hole right there where my finger is. I should have had these just a little bit longer. I should have made it a little bit longer this way before I put in this thing here. But anyway, that's really all there is to it. And I could imagine, just so your soil packs down real good, you could probably leave this in here, put your soil in there, and just pack it down, pack it down, pack it down, and that's it. Well, anyway, this is my review of the Burpee pot maker. I'll have other reviews of the garden and also this pot in particular. I won't exchange pots or anything. If the pot falls apart, if I can't get it to work right, if when I put water on it doesn't work, anything like that, I'll have on the very next video and subsequent videos of the garden, just so that you know basically what we're looking at. And this sure beats the heck out of them peat pots. And the roots can most likely grow out the side if you wanted to do that, or just pack the soil real good like this. Take your scissors, stick them in, just cut the pot right down the side and around through both sides here. Slip your dirt out, transplant. That's all there is to it. Well, anyway, until next time.